Hello Moviesflics here. Today I am talking about Spider-Man new trailer, called Spider-Man No Way Home. Ever since I was bitten by that spider, I only had 1 week, when my life felt normal. That was where you found it, when you have finished that word, when you wanted everyone to forget that Peter Parker is a Spider-Man. We began to receive visitors, from everything, the whole place. Hello, Peter. You're not Peter Parker. Sorry, what was your name again? Dr. Otto Octavius? Wait, not really. What is your real name? There are others out there. We need to take it back. So, Scooby-Doo, this is stupid. You know, all of this is kind of your mess. I know a few magic words myself. Start with the word please, please. Scooby-Doo, this is stupid. He flies in the dark, fighting ghosts. What do you mean? They all died fighting Spider-Man. It's their end. I'm sorry, baby. Yes, me too. Don't do it. Look, there has to be another way. None. They are dangerous in our universe. You will never take this away from me, Peter. He struggles to have everything you want, while the world is trying to make you choose. All of this is my fault. I can't save everyone. What's going on? They are just starting to get in, and I can't stop them. December 17th, especially in theaters. Tickets go on sale November 29th, Spider Monday.